Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the petite powerhouse Nichole. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Daily Try-On. My name is Nichole. I have tons of beautiful new pieces to show you. I'm going to show you 5 fun, flirty dresses that are perfect for date night, or if you're traveling anywhere tropical, warm. Really great pieces to take with you. So let's get into it. So the first outfit I have on, this is the fern dress. This is from Dex. There's a little high slit here with a ruffle on the bottom, some smocking along the waist. I really love that this sort of cinches me in here with a little bit of some ruffle action, and then it ties in the back, which is super adorable. My trusty little tote bag from Pixie Mood. But then I have to show you this adorable jacket that we just got in from Charlie B. I love this, and I'm super excited to show you after I struggle to get it on. How cute is this? This is cropped. I think this is called Lorena. It comes in 2 different colors. Such a cute little piece. What do we think? Okay, I'm back in outfit number 2. I kind of feel like a cupcake in like the best way possible. So this is called the Ashland dress. It has this super cute little poofy sleeve, some smocking in the back. This would be super adorable for date night. Maybe like think ahead for a super cute outfit for St. Patrick's Day. Cute little clutch, bring it all together. All right, so back in dress number 3. This is the Rosemary. This is a new piece in from Danny and Davy. I love this material. I'm not sure what it is, but it's kind of slinky. I love it. It's got really great movement in the bottom. Pockets, cute little poofy sleeve with some smocking in the bodice. I think I would probably size up to the 2. I'm wearing the 1X, and I do find it a little bit clingy in this area, which I don't generally like to emphasize. So I would probably size up to the 2, but still super cute. Okay, so I'm back with outfit number 4. This is the Mardrael. I don't know, Warner keeps throwing these weird names at me, so I can never remember. But look how cute this piece is. It sort of has like a bat wing situation here, and then this nice little paneling here that sort of tucks in your waist. It is smocked in the back, well, just a little bit, not a lot. A nice full skirt that buttons with pockets, and the skirt is fully lined. What do we think of this one? Okay, so I'm back in outfit number 5, and this might be my favorite piece that I've tried on for this try-on. So this is a new piece in from Dex. I don't think it has a name yet, but I'm sure by the time this goes up, she will have a name. So it is a maxi dress. I don't know if it's supposed to be a maxi or a midi, but it is definitely a maxi on me, and I am okay with that. It has this really beautiful sweetheart neckline with a poofy sleeve, smocking in the waistband. This is the 1X, and the dress is fairly generous, which we love. Which one was your favorite outfit of the try-on? Let us know.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.